So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some Redbubble motivation, guys, talking about some of my favorite things about Redbubble and why it's such a great site to allow you guys to actually make money. A lot of these things will apply to a variation of print on demand sites as well, but the aim of this video is to show you guys that you can make money online fairly easily when it comes to sites like Redbubble. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. We've helped a lot of people make money online. If you're looking for any extra information, I have a free print on demand starter guide link down in the description, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into a full-time thing. Now, as for today's video, I'm going to be going through some comments you guys have left showing how you've actually got some sales. But before I get to that, I just want to talk a little bit about why I think Redbubble and print on demand in general is a really good business slash money making opportunity. Now, a lot of you guys that are doing Redbubble or that doing print on demand, obviously you understand it's important to look at trends. Some of you guys may just focus on evergreen designs, but one thing that I like about being in the Redbubble and print on demand space is the fact that you can actually figure out ways of making money through things that are happening on the news. So obviously this is linked to trends, but there may be popular memes that you're seeing on Twitter, on Instagram, and all of these things can allow you to pretty much make money online. A key thing that I discovered, especially when it comes to Redbubble, is that if you're seeing a lot of people talking about things online, it's important to make sure that you are covering it with your designs. The designs don't have to be complicated. They don't have to be crazy. They can just be simple designs. But just to kind of boost your motivation up a little bit more, I'm just going to start off by going through some comments left by you guys. So we have two people here, and our first one was Nasser, pretty much saying I have 188 designs and yesterday was my first sales, with a response from Ebenezer saying, I swear I also got my first sale a few days ago, also at 188 designs, saying that he sold a sticker. Now, I always feel like it's important to share information like this just to show you guys that if you have 50 designs up, you shouldn't be expecting a sale. Sales can come at any time. They can come whether you're at 200 designs, they can come whether you're at 10 designs, but you need to consistently keep working. At the end of the day, it's about enjoying the process. Obviously, if you're working a lot smarter, the sales will come quicker, but do not make the sale the main objective at first. Make learning your objective. That way you can put yourself in the best position to actually get sales. So yeah, I really do like sharing comments like that one with you guys, because it kind of paints a picture of what's actually possible when it comes to Redbubble realistically. Next up, we have this comment here from Jace. I actually mentioned this in a previous video and I wanted to talk about it a little bit more in this video, because this is something that really warms my heart, and it shows me that just from watching videos on your phone, on your laptop, or on your computer, you can pick up skills that can allow you to make an extra bit of yearly income if you really think about it. And here Jace was pretty much talking about how she's been on Redbubble for a year, how she started because she was looking at different chances of making money online, which brought her across my videos, leading to her now having 250 sales. People don't really realize how powerful that is. I've come to learn in different countries, the cost of living are different. So someone who's living in India, if they can get to a point where they're making $250 a month, for example, that could be a lot more to them compared to someone living in the US or the UK. Either way, the fact that there's an opportunity to make money online long term, which can be passive, it's a very, very great opportunity. And for those that are just getting into Redbubble, starting, feel like you're struggling, you need to understand pushing through is the only way you're going to be successful. If you really think about it, you can't really lose if you don't give up. Next up, we have Siam, pretty much talking about how he got his first few sales, and it came from one of my top trends videos. And this is another thing I spoke about. Every week, every Friday, I do top 10 trends of the week videos. In those videos, I actually give you actionable information to niches that you can start making sales with. But you need to bear in mind that you won't just instantly get sales. There's also other little steps involved. For example, how you create your designs. You need to be making sure that, you know, you're not wasting too much time and you're making designs that people may actually want to buy. I've got a full series on how to actually make Redbubble designs, some more simple, some more complicated, but if you want to check that out, it will be linked down in the description. And there's a lot of useful tips you guys can use, especially if you're struggling to get sales. And I also see comments along the lines of, I follow all the tips that you say on your videos and I don't have sales, or I follow all the tips that I see in your videos and I get this amount of sales, but I feel like I should be getting more. If you want to be getting sales, if you want to be increasing your numbers, you need to make sure that you are watching all of the different types of videos I make. So whether that be the design videos showing you guys how to design, or the videos on the different kind of softwares you can try to use, whether that's to upload faster or to get ideas, and the top 10 trends videos. You need to find a way to obviously watch those kind of videos in a system that allows you to get important information from each style of video to help you to improve your shop. Because at the end of the day, everything that I'm giving you in terms of information is information that can really help you to step up your game. Here's another video you guys might want to check out. I mean, this video will probably motivate you in a similar way to this one if you enjoyed it. Comment down ready to go and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.